In today's video, I'll show you how to change your Zoho Mail password. Updating your password regularly is a simple but effective way to keep your account secure. Start by opening your web browser and heading to mailzoho.com. Log in using your current credentials. Make sure you're on a secure network and that the URL is correct to protect your account information. Once logged in, look to the upper right corner of your screen where your profile picture or initials appear. Click it to open a drop-down menu and select My Account. This takes you to your Zoho account settings. Next, navigate to the Security section. Here, click on Password to access the Change Password page. First, enter your current password carefully. Then, type in your new password. For maximum security, create a password with a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters, ideally at least 8 characters long. Avoid using obvious personal info like birthdays or common words. After entering your current and new password, double check for accuracy and click Change Password. Zoho will update your account and you'll receive a confirmation message. You may be logged out as a security measure, so be sure to log back in with your new password and update any saved passwords on your devices. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Zoho Mail password, keeping your account safe and secure. Regularly updating your password is a smart step for online security. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials on managing your online accounts.